How to find TikTok shop on PC. So first, of course, you just have to go to any web browser and then type TikTok shop, and you have to click the very first link that you see here. So once you tap that, and then you will see this TikTok shop. So if you want to be a seller, creator, or partner, if you want to know more about Academy Vlog, or if you want to contact them, you will see it up right here. So if you scroll down here, you will see more information and features about this TikTok shop. You can see live shopping, you will see the shoppable videos, product showcase, and shop top. So here you can choose if you want to create an account, if you want to be a seller, creator, partner, affiliate, and you will see here the features that you can unlock or you can use once you create an account as a seller. Okay. And if you tap creator, you will see also information on what are the features that you can get access once you are a creator and so on. So to start, all you have to do is, of course, you have to create an account. So you need to create an account on TikTok Shop to find TikTok Shop here on your TikTok. Remember that you need to have your TikTok account in order for you to see and search some shops and stores that you want to find here on TikTok Shop. Now, here's the thing, once you have opened your account here on your PC and you have to look for this TikTok shop. Unfortunately, this feature is not yet available if you search for a TikTok shop here on your PC. So what you're going to do is after you have created an account here, you have to open your TikTok account to your mobile and there you will see TikTok shop. Maybe soon this feature will be available in your country and my country, but for the moment, you cannot access this using your PC. You have to open your mobile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.